Y'all niggas hurry up. Go in there, buck them niggas and get the fuck out. Don't be playing. You hear what I'm saying? Kill them niggas and get the fuck back so we can stab out. I'ma be chilling right here.
Hey nigga, I wanna know if you ready to do this shit. Is you ready to do this shit or what, motherfucker?
Filet mignon and red wine for me. Packaging my food, close the door, I need some privacy. This the type of shit I wish my father was alive to see. Made a little wave, labels talking about signing me. Nigga, that's a conversation that can change it all. But I ain't making no decision less the gang involved. Change is good, but it depends on who you changing on. Transform and wait to break down, call me Megatron. Alpha male, these other little niggas beta form. Whip a nigga ass, I get my arm, leg on. Nigga throw me any issues, I can take them on. My niggas talking less showers, I can make it storm. Little nigga, you can dead that shit. Show your homie the Undertaker, nigga dead man shit. Bring some death into your squad, nigga red man shit. Nigga starving, take a watch from off a dead man wrist. I will never wait, I ain't gon' hesitate. Cross a nigga, friend or foe, I ain't gon' separate. Nigga, everybody eats and I'ma set the plate. Somebody grab the wine and I'ma get the steak. I will never wait, I ain't gon' hesitate. Cross a nigga, friend or foe, I ain't gon' separate. Nigga, everybody eats and I'ma set the plate. Somebody grab the wine and I'ma get the steak. Fresh asparagus and roasted red potatoes. Scummy nigga said in blood is family at my table. Stay loyal, break bread, nigga, that's the staple. Scummy gang 1-9, nigga, that's the label. Put the sauce on it. Put together the menu, then put the cost on it. Never took a loss on it. Store a heater in the freezer, see the frost on it. Need a heater on your feet, you put the boss on it. That Yola got a special smell. I drop it in the pot and start the whipping it the bechamel. My nigga in the cellar, he ain't get a bell. Now they got him in the hole and he don't get his mail. We got anything you need, so come and dine with us. Put a razor to the beef, I want the finest cuts. There's no telling in my kitchen, ain't no swine with us. Welcome to the other side, enjoy your time with us. I will never wait, I ain't gon' hesitate. Cross a nigga, friend or foe, I ain't gon' separate.